Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our series on digital skills in high demand. You can learn today and become more successful. It's your girl Joy.
And I am Betty. Today we're diving into the colorful world of graphic design, a skill that is everywhere you look at and one of the most versatile skills out there.
Exactly. We will discuss what graphics design is all about, why it is so important, the career paths available, and how you can learn it here at Bismarck Technologies.
What is graphic design? Graphic design is all about creating visual content to communicate messages. It combines both art and technology to design things like logo, social media graphics, advertisements, websites, and much more.
Graphics designers use colors, typography, and images to create visuals that grab attention and convey meaning. They also bring ideas to life visually, making information more engaging and easy to understand.
Why is graphic design important in 2025? In 2025, as more businesses and brands go digital, the demand for eye-catching graphics is fastly growing. Companies need graphic designers to help them create everything from social media posts to branding materials and more.
It's not just businesses, non-profits, influencers, and even individuals need strong visuals. Great designs help build brands, improve engagement, and make content more memorable. Now let's talk about how you can learn graphics design here at Bismarck Technologies. At Bismarck Technologies, we have a comprehensive graphic design course that teaches you everything from the basic principles to mastering tools like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe InDesign, Adobe Illustrator, to also Canva.
Our program emphasizes on hands-on learning. Yes, you'll be working on real projects from designing logos to social media graphics and more. At the end, you have a portfolio of work to showcase to your potential clients and employers.
And with our practical hands-on training approach, you will build the skills and confidence you need to start designing right away.
Career and job opportunities with graphic design. With graphic design skill, it opens doors to so many career paths. You can either be a brand designer, a social media graphic designer, an illustrator, or a freelance graphic designer. Yes.
And there's lots of flexibility. Many graphics designers work remotely, set their own hours, and even work for clients around the world, all from the comfort of their homes. Now, let's talk about opportunities in Nigeria and abroad. In Nigeria, the need of graphic designers is on the rise, and this is because startup businesses and even established businesses and agencies are looking for graphic designers who can help bring their brands to life visually.
And internationally, graphic design are always in high demand. With remote job options, you could be here in Nigeria working for brands and companies abroad. Now, why should someone learn graphic design? Well, graphic design is a skill that allows you to be creative while earning so much money. As a graphic designer, you're not only help businesses look good, but you're also building your own brand and portfolio to showcase prospective clients.
And with these model technologies focus on hands-on projects, you will live with practical skills and professional portfolio, so you will be ready to make an impact after you finish the training. Are you ready to bring your creativity to life? Why not explore Bismarck Technologies graphics design course? This could be your first step towards a fulfilling and flexible career.
Thanks for watching today's episode. Remember, each skill we cover in this series could be key to unlocking opportunities in 2025 and beyond. See you in the next episode. Bye.